is equal to negative 3, because our binomial expression is a plus b to the n, and n here, the exponent, is equal to 3. Again, since this is raised to the power of 3, that means from the Pascal's triangle, our coefficients would be 1, 3, 3, 1. Alright, so let's try expanding this. Take note that the exponent of a starts from n, then ends with 0, and then b starts from 0 and then to n. So that would mean, since our a is equal to y, so y would be raised to the power of n, then it ends with y to 0, and then our b is negative 3 raised to the power of, our n here is 3, from 3, then this one is from 0 to negative 3 cube. Alright, so let's start expanding this. You would only have 4 terms since our exponent is 3. So we start with coefficient 1. So 1 times a, which is y cubed times negative 3 to the 0 plus 3, the second coefficient, times y squared times negative 3 to the 1 plus 3, the third coefficient, times y to the 1 times negative 3 squared, in the last term with coefficient 1 times y to the 0 times negative 3 cube. And now let's simplify the terms. 1 times y cubed times negative 3 to the 0, so this is just equal to y cubed, and then 3 times y squared times negative 3 to the power of 1. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9 times y squared, this is negative 9y squared, and then 3 times y, which is 3y, times negative 3 squared is negative 3 times negative 3, which is equal to positive 9, and positive 9 times 3 is just 27. So this is positive 27y, and then 1 times y to the 0, which is equal to